Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're only but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about prominent businessman and president of the New Kingston Citizens Association, Raja Chang, who was reported missing, has been found dead. And they also have an update on his case and a person of interest, which I want to let you guys know about. It says Chang's body was found with stab wounds at about 11 a.m. on Sunday along the shoreline in the community of Dover in St. Mary. According to police sources, his white Suzuki Swift motor car has so far not been located. His daughter Natasha, a celebrated race car driver, has posted on social media site Instagram that her father had gone missing since Saturday. She shared that he was last known to be en route to Portland with a young female to visit a waterfall on Saturday. Raja Chang hasn't come home. His belongings are in his house and we haven't heard from him in over 24 hours, his daughter wrote on Instagram early Sunday morning. According to police sources, the woman has not been located so far. The police probe has been launched into the incident, and I'm gonna insert a picture of this young lady. It says a young woman is among two persons being sought by the police investigating the murder of the businessman Raja Chang, whose body was found with stab wounds on Saturday, March 15th. A picture of a woman bearing the name Khadijah Mackenzie, also alias DD or Diamond D, was circulated to the media at a press briefing in Kingston on Wednesday. According to DCP Fitz Bailey, appealed to the public to assist in finding the woman who he said was critical to the investigation. This person is very important to our investigation, Bailey said. He declined to give further details about her, but disclosed she is from between the corporate area and St. Mary. He added, "We're getting significant leads and the investigation is being pursued. I have no doubt that we will come to a positive conclusion based on the leads we have." The senior officer said the woman was one of at least two persons of interest already identified. Chang's body was found with stab wounds in Windsor Castle at the border of St. Mary and Portland after he was reported missing the day before. He is the father of Jamaican race car driver Natasha Chang, who wrote on social media, "For all who knew him, my father Raja was a gentle soul with not a single bad bone in his body. All he ever wanted to do was explore and love his country and drink Red Stripe sorrel," she said. There you have it, a person of interest. If you guys know her or know of her, know any information, they want it put out there that she's a person of interest. There have been clips of her circulating on social media in the man's business establishment a little bit before they so-called went to this waterfalls that they claimed that they had gone to. So I hope they find her. And a lot of times people of interest are named in Jamaica and no one says anything, and it's very sad. We as a people need to do better. Stop harboring fugitives, whether it be a cousin, uncle, auntie, friend, because it's not making the crime situation any better in Jamaica. And for Jamaica to get on a level where I want it to be, or where a lot of people want it to be, crime has to diminish. Crime has to be reduced, and in order for that to happen, Jamaican people also have to help. We can't just sit around and not do anything or say anything when persons of interest like this in murder investigation come up and think that if something like this is supposed to happen to us or a family member, then we should get pity. But because it's not happening to us right now, we're not going to say anything. We don't want nothing to do with it. We are not snitch. And I find that that is very disheartening with our community, and with the Jamaican people in general. I know that we have a long-standing issue with the JCF and them disclosing information and putting witnesses in danger, but something has to give. Something has to give as far as this is concerned. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section about this female. Do you think she set up the man to get killed? Do you think she was just there to get her job done, get her next quick buck from him? Or do you think that they were in a relationship? Favors, what do you think? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I feel like this is way more to this story, and it will unravel as this story goes on. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.